Hello learners. Welcome to StudyCare, Easy Way of Learning. In this video, we will explore Lesson 4 Climate from the CBER Class 11 Geography syllabus. Climate is an important topic. It affects the clothes we wear, the crops we grow, and even the types of houses we build. So, let's understand climate in detail. Let's get started. What is climate? Climate refers to the average weather conditions of a place over a long period, usually 30 years or more. This includes temperature, rainfall, wind, air pressure, and humidity. In contrast, weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. For example, if it rains today, that's weather. But if a place gets rain every July for decades, that's climate. Let's take an example. Rajasthan is known for its hot and dry climate. That means it has been hot and dry for many years, not just one or two. Similarly, Cherrapunji in Meghalaya has a wet climate because it receives heavy rainfall throughout the year. Elements of climate. There are 5 major elements that define climate. Temperature. It refers to the degree of hotness or coldness of the air. Temperature affects everything from agriculture to clothing. It is higher near the equator and lower at the poles. Also, temperature decreases as we go higher in altitude. That's why hill stations are cool. Rainfall or precipitation. This includes all forms of water that fall from the sky: rain, snow, hail, or drizzle. Rainfall is vital for crops, drinking water, and maintaining rivers and lakes. India receives rainfall mostly during the monsoon season from June to September. Air pressure. Air pressure is the weight of the air pressing down on the Earth's surface. Low pressure areas usually bring clouds and rainfall. High pressure areas are associated with clear and dry weather. Wind. Winds are horizontal movements of air from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Winds help in distributing heat and moisture across the globe. Monsoon winds in India bring seasonal rainfall. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. When the air has a lot of moisture, we say it's humid. High humidity makes us feel hotter than the actual temperature. Difference between weather and climate. Let's understand the basic difference. Weather changes daily. You might need an umbrella today but a jacket tomorrow. Climate remains stable over a long time. It's like a pattern that repeats every year. So, when we say Mumbai has a humid climate, we mean it has been humid for many years, not just this week. Factors affecting climate. There are 5 major factors that influence the climate of any region. Latitude. Places near the equator get direct sunlight, so they are warmer. As we move toward the poles, sunlight becomes slanted, and temperatures fall. That's why tropical regions are hot and polar regions are cold. Altitude, height above sea level. Higher places are cooler. For example, Shillong is much cooler than Guwahati because it is at a higher altitude. Distance from the sea. The sea affects the temperature of nearby land. Coastal areas like Mumbai have moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. In contrast, interior places like Delhi have extreme climates, very hot summers and very cold winters. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are like rivers in the ocean. Warm ocean currents increase temperatures of nearby coasts, while cold currents lower them. For example, the Gulf Stream keeps Western Europe warm. Relief or topography. Mountains and valleys affect wind direction and rainfall. The windward side of a mountain receives rain, while the leeward side remains dry. This is known as the rain shadow effect. Types of climate. Based on temperature and rainfall, there are different types of climate. Tropical climate, hot and wet. Example, Kerala. Desert climate, hot and dry. Example, Rajasthan. Temperate climate, mild summers and winters. Example, Shimla. Polar climate, very cold all year round. Example, Antarctica. India has a tropical monsoon climate, which means we experience heavy rainfall in the summer and dry winters. Importance of studying climate. Why should we study climate? To plan agriculture. To predict weather conditions. To prepare for natural disasters like floods or droughts. To choose the best locations for industries, farming, and living. Understanding climate also helps us deal with challenges like global warming and climate change. Summary and recap. Let's quickly revise what we learned. Climate is the long-term average of weather. The key elements are temperature, rainfall, air pressure, wind, and humidity. Climate is influenced by latitude, altitude, sea distance, ocean currents, and relief. Different regions have different types of climates. Studying climate helps us in planning and survival. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to StudyCare, easy way of learning for more geography lessons. Next up is Lesson 5 Natural Vegetation. Stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching.